It's all done now.
We've done that in 3 hours. 3 hours, unbelievable. I can't believe it, because it looks like you just put a new wing on the car.
Yeah, took the badge off, put the badge back on.
Have you?
Yeah, so I've got it. It was 2 fingers away.
Yeah.
And centimetre, just over. Yeah. So I put 2 fingers there, and then just over a centimetre, stuck the badge back on.
Do you know what?
So
I was tempted to go through the insurance with this, but you know what? I wouldn't have the car for 2 years.
no, that's it.
The
And then
with you is,
yeah,
it's on me drive, it's done, isn't it?
that's it. And how long have you used me now?
You've done a few cars for me now, yeah, and I like say,
2016, weren't it? First time.
Yeah, the first time, yeah, and you know you've done me Mercedes, you've done my son's car with his keeps on curbing his wheels. But mate, that's what I keep recommending you, mate.
Nice one.
But with this being a brand new car and the colour, I'll be honest with you, I thought you were gonna sort of say I can't do it.
Yeah.
But you know what, mate, you pulled it out the bag.
Nice one.
Top man.
Ta, mate.
Nice one, mate.
See you later.
Ta.